still a little on the dark side. Not too much I can do about that. Here's my chop saw, miter saw, whatever you want to call it. Exactly the way it was when my brother gave it to me. Actually, it did take a fall in the moving truck. So hopefully everything still works. But I'm getting ready to open it up. Now, he did give me the manual for this. I don't remember where it went. But hopefully I can figure this out. Oh my. Hope this cord is still good. I didn't see this before. Feels like I may have to redo that. How on earth? I don't know if I have any shrink tubing that would work for this or not. Let's see what's going on here. Oh my, that does not look good. Didn't expect I was going to have to do a splice job. No, that's a shrink tube. But that does not look good. That does not look good at all. Well, I got some electrical tape around here somewheres. Alright. I got that taped up. Put a piece of these things I cut off. Put a little piece around the brake. Tape that up. Then I put a piece of the hard plastic here just to kind of stiffen it up a little bit. Plugged it in. She works. Now, I gotta figure out everything else. Well, I can't figure this out. So maybe I just need to lubricate. So I'm going to go with my standby. I don't know. I can't get the thing to budge up, out, around, anywhere. So I'm going to give it a shot. Oh. Granted, I could do what I need to do with just my battery powered circular saw. I could. But I've been looking so forward to using this. Honestly, I don't even know if the blade's still any good. I don't know if there's something I'm supposed to be. Feels like, I don't know. I just can't figure out what's holding it down. This goes up. Something's got to be locking it, but I don't know what. We're turning it, and it won't turn. Oh, I got it turning. All right. Oh, it is a little stiff. Oh, all right. All right. That's one. That's one. That's one. Okay. Who knows how long it's been sitting in my brother's basement. Ah, yes! Oh, look at that! Look at that! Yes! Yes! Okay! Can I say I practically in tears. I was about ready to give it up. Oh, look at that. Oh, my. All right, now I know. It's this little pin here. Okay. Now, I need measuring tape, and I need some wood. Okay. It works. Okay, guys. First cut with a chop saw. Look at that. That will do the job. Yep, it's got exactly 4 feet. All right. This is the first time I've ever used a chop saw, miter saw, whatever you want to call it. Okay? It's the first time I've ever used a thing like this. And I cut wood!